Welcome to the Wild Wonder Planet, the place where the enigmas of the deep sea come to life. Picture yourself plunging into the sapphire depths, enveloped in the serene vastness of the ocean. Sunlight pierces the surface, casting an enchanting glow that lights up the marine universe. Out of the blue, a majestic entity appears, a blue whale, the colossal leviathan of the sea. As it elegantly sails through the water, the enormity of its presence is palpable. Its massive blue-gray form shimmers in the gentle currents, reflecting the limitless hues of the ocean. As our narrative unfolds, the awe-inspiring attributes of this magnificent creature draw you in. The blue whale, with its staggering length of up to 100 feet, is a testament to nature's grandeur. Despite its enormous size, the blue whale's every movement is a dance of grace, akin to a virtuoso performer in an undersea symphony. Engrossed in this spectacle, we delve deeper into the world of the blue whale. Its heart throbs with a rhythm that reverberates across the ocean depths. Visualize these rhythmic pulsations echoing life's primal energy, linking every sea creature in the vast marine expanse. Consider the blue whale's descent into the abyss, a voyage into the unseen territories of the ocean floor. Its streamlined body effortlessly navigates the underwater terrain, a testament to millions of years of evolution and adaptation. Each dive offers a peek into the hidden marvels that lie beneath. Yet, this captivating creature holds more secrets. In slow motion, we capture intimate moments, a close-up of its enormous eye, reflecting ancient wisdom, gentle interactions with fellow sea dwellers, underscoring a delicate equilibrium in the marine ecosystem. As our journey nears its end, we encourage you to be a part of this incredible adventure. Like the rhythmic heartbeat of the blue whale, let your actions echo with the wonders of nature. Pause to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video, spreading the magic of the blue whale and our deep-sea exploration. Thank you for accompanying us on this mesmerizing expedition. As we say goodbye to the blue whale and the ocean's marvels, may the Wild Wonder Planet continue to inspire curiosity and awe in every heart. Until we reunite, may your adventures be as boundless and captivating as the ocean itself. Don't forget, if you've been fascinated by this journey, if the allure of the deep sea has sparked your imagination, then delve deeper into our channel. Subscribe to Wild Wonder Planet to unlock more mesmerizing tales, discover unseen worlds, and embark on exciting adventures with nature's most extraordinary creations. Until our next encounter, let the wonders of the world continue to amaze and inspire you. Thank you for being a part of our wild, wonder-filled community.